In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product permanently in Gumroad. If you want to completely remove a product from your Gumroad account, this process is very quick, but it's important to pay attention because permanent deletion means you won't be able to restore that product afterward. So before you confirm anything, make sure you've selected the correct item. To get started, sign in to your Gumroad dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Products. This will open the section where all of your Gumroad products are listed, making it easier to manage everything in one place. After that, find the product you want to remove. Take a moment here to double check the product name so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one, especially if you have several similar listings. This is a good habit anytime you are making permanent changes in your store. Once you've located the correct product, move to the right side of that product row and click the three dots. This opens the product options menu where Gumroad keeps actions related to that specific listing. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just make sure you click the menu for the right product. From that menu, click on Delete Permanently. As the wording suggests, this is not just hiding the product or unpublishing it. This action is meant to remove it for good, so it's worth pausing for a second to confirm that this is exactly what you want to do. A confirmation prompt will then appear. To complete the process, click on Confirm. Once you do that, the product will be permanently deleted from your Gumroad account. And that's it. The product is now removed. As a final reminder, permanent deletion is best used when you're absolutely sure you no longer need that listing. If you only want to stop selling something temporarily, you may want to review other product management options in Gumroad before deleting it. But if your goal is to fully remove the product, these steps will get the job done quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Gumroad products more confidently.